What does repowering America mean? It means creating a just transition for workers and new careers in the energy industry of the future. It means investing in innovation and technology to once again spur manufacturing in the United States. And it means working with communities to ensure the full potential of this new energy source is met. The world needs climate solutions now, and Equinor is ready to lead the way. Our values shape how we engage with society and coexist with others. An international leader in energy, Equinor is building renewable and low-carbon energy solutions around the world. Our Empire Wind and Beacon Wind projects will power millions of homes with renewable energy produced off the northeastern shores of the United States. We don't have time to wait. Equinor is leading the way towards creating a renewable energy sector right here in America right now. Equinor, shaping the future of energy to get there together.